Welcome to Seesaw's Teacher Essentials for Success, Capturing Learning, the Student Perspective tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to empower students to show and capture learning in Seesaw, provide students with opportunities for voice and choice when reflecting on learning, support students in beginning to create a digital portfolio. When students have ownership over capturing and sharing their learning, they become even more invested in the learning process. Using Seesaw's multimodal tools, teachers not only encourage ownership, but also empower students to capture their learning, while providing a window into the classroom and student learning for connected family members. Students can use Seesaw's multimodal tools to capture offline learning and then respond authentically and creatively, giving them the opportunity to share their voice and choose how they respond. Plus, with each learning artifact, students build a digital portfolio of learning. Let's jump in and see how students can take advantage of these powerful tools. Students can easily capture learning with the click of the green Add button. Once logged in, students access the green Add button from their Journal tab. When students click the green Add button, they'll have immediate access to Seesaw's intuitive multimodal tools with kid-friendly icons. Students post to their journal based on teacher instruction or learning goals. Whether students take a photo of their work, draw or write, and explain conceptual understanding, create a video of real-time learning, upload or link to previously created documents, or share a note, students can exercise voice and choice. Plus, learning can be organized into folders in Seesaw, laying the groundwork for creating a digital portfolio. So, what can it look like when students document their learning? When students are using manipulatives to represent numbers, they can use the photo tool to take a picture of their work. Students can then take it a step further and use the microphone and drawing tools to capture audio and a screen recording of their thought process, supporting problem solving. After reading a story, teachers can have students draw a story element. Students can then use the photo tool to take a picture of their work and the voice tool to describe the element. This practice not only promotes comprehension, but it also allows teachers to check for understanding. After writing a story or essay, students can use the photo tool to take a photo of their writing. Using the microphone tool, students can then record their screen and voice as they read their writing aloud and edit their writing in real time. This not only supports grammatical understanding and reading fluency, but it also creates an authentic audience for their writing. After learning about weather, students work in pairs and using the video tool, take turns recording each other giving a weather report. This will allow the teacher to check for understanding while giving students a creative outlet to verbalize what they've learned. You can easily keep connected family members in the learning loop as students capture learning. Once student work is approved, it is visible to connected family members who can engage with the student by liking and commenting on their work. Seesaw's green Add button is a game changer that allows student learning to be captured spontaneously and in a variety of ways. One of the best parts is that, once added, student work can be added to a highlights folder that can act as a student's digital portfolio. Students can add exemplar work, evidence of growth, work that they're proud of, and any elements that you, as their teacher, deem important to their record of learning. Do you want to learn more about how to organize students' digital portfolios in Seesaw? Check out our Digital Portfolios playlist on the Teacher Resources site to learn what digital portfolios are, how to implement and manage them, and more. That brings us to the end of Capturing Learning, the Student Perspective tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit our Teacher Resources page for additional support.